What's up, guys? This is Craig from Chengdu Honors, Sales Director of ANS Honors. You have been witnessed our top sale chargers in the market, and I believe you have a basic understanding what we are doing now. So today we're gonna show you our production line about the massive production of our EV chargers. So follow our camera and take a look deeper on of our production line. And if you are looking for a supply chain for the fabrication of EV chargers, do not forget thumb up and subscribe our channel. So let's take a look around and follow up my lead.
Welcome to the production floor. This is Ofen Jikang from Chengdu Honors Technology. There's not only one assembly line, but multiple production lines here in parallel. Right now, they are assembling our 22 kilowatts wall-mounted EV chargers. You can see the precision PCB board and RCMU components inside. All our workers are strictly following the SOP instructions on the overhead boards. Let me show you one of my details favorite here. After perfectly crimping and tightening each screw, the worker marks it with a red dot. This is our torque anti-losing mark, ensuring no mistake upon factory exit. And once the assembly stage is finished, it comes to our initial test. We collect the panel, test RFID recognition, and check the input power to ensure it's 100% stable. Our testing stations also support flexible configurations, freely adjustable from 10 amps to 16 amps, giving clients plenty of room for the future customization. Finally, there's the 20 seconds regular testing phase here. If everything is perfect, it passes. If there's even the slightest flow, it will send back straight to the re-inspection. We only ship machines that operate 100% perfectly. To prove our engineer's design is indestructible, every single unit will come to this purgatory. Our full-loaded aging test. If it doesn't meet our strict testing standards, it simply does not leave this room.
I assume that you must have a curiosity. What ensure our high working efficiency under production center? So we have this warehouse to help us to very organize our production efficiency. Look at this. We have this label on the box. We have someone who will be responsible for the management of all the components here. Imagine that if we are assembling a UK charger, we need the UK 13-pin plug-in. So we have something like this. That's the Schuko plug, which is the general plug in EU. So follow my lead. This is our packaging area. We have different products get ready here. And all the chargers will be inside the bags. Look at this, there are label which shows the input cable is UK and output is type 2 or GBT. With this help us, with this basic procedures, it will help us to improve our working efficiency dramatically.
This is our plastic packaging production line. Every single unit will be packed here, and after that, it will be put in a box and shipped out. To maximize the production capacity, we have a smart scheduling ordering system. Whether it's a bulk order, highly customization order, or small sample batches, we will distribute resources and also schedule dynamically. Every workstation and the workers here got a very strict connection and standard.
I believe Jay has already shown you guys our production line. You can see the production machine here and understand our massive production, how it could be. Actually, the brain of our body part is our research and development center. So here it comes to our engineer team. Look at this, all these chargers, PCB board, and the components will be the prototype. That's our engineer director, Mr. Wang. He will put all the components like this into reality with high good quality EV chargers. Quite impressive, isn't it? Look at this package. They are ready to ship all around the world with all the steps on the production line and the warehouse storage and the sensitivity of each step, which help you have a quality assured EV chargers. We believe our scientific steps will help you to improve your business dramatically.
If you want to collaborate with a manufacturer which has a strong engineering ability and also the massive production ability, contact us today and leave a comment below. Follow our channel. Peace.